So hello everyone. So let's start the next video and in this video we are going to talk about is JavaScript is interpreted or compiled. So let's discuss about that JavaScript is interpreted or compiled. Okay. So mainly JavaScript is a interpreted language, but we need to discuss how. Okay, and how JavaScript is the compiled language. Okay, so we need to discuss the things. Okay, so before to describe the JavaScript is interpreted or compiled, first we need to understand about interpreter and compiler. Okay, so we have made some diagram. Okay, we have created some diagram. Okay, and then let's understand about the diagram. Okay, so we can understand easily and what point we are discussing, so you can get easily. Okay, and then we will discuss about Git compiler, and then I will try to write a simple code to execute and to explain that it is interpreted. Okay, so let's start for interpreter. Okay, so here we have mentioned that the interpreter execute the code without converting intermediary machine code. It never generate intermediary machine code. So what that means? Okay, what means of that? Okay, so in the previous video, we have already discussed about the V8 engine. Okay, so how used by the V8 engine. Okay, and in the V8 engine there is a compiler. Okay, that is a turbo fan compiler, and we have already discussed about the interpreter. So and there is a ignition interpreter. Okay, so. Some browser have used some different compiler, but we are talking about the Chrome, okay, which is developed by the Google. So let's start interpreter. That okay, interpreter how converting the machine code or it is not generate the machine code, and then how it will execute. So interpreter. So suppose we have written the code, okay, so JavaScript code. So what will happen once we try to execute the JavaScript code? It will execute line by line. So suppose that this is the code. So what interpreter does? First line will be executed, then second line will be executed, third line will be executed, fourth line will be executed, and if we get the any error in the fourth line, it will generate. It will send the output. Okay, we are getting that here message, and but above three line will be executed. Okay, so this that is the thing, and it will not generate the machine code. Machine code is the different things. It will only generate the byte code. Okay, and in previous video already we have discussed about. Okay, and it will never generate the machine code. Okay, and then the compiler converts entire code into object code, means binary code. Okay, and we can say in the term of Git compiler is the intermediary machine code that used by the JavaScript runtime environment to execute the program. So compiler क्या करता है? Compiler use entire code. Suppose we have written this the code. Suppose we have written this is the code, and there are five lines. One, two, three, four lines. Okay. So what compiler will do? It will compile entire code at once in one glance. It will execute. Okay, and then it will generate the optimized code, means optimized machine code. Okay, and that optimized machine code used by the Java virtual machine to execute the program. Okay, so that is the thing. It will execute entire code, and interpreter it will execute line by line. Okay, and it will generate the machine code. It will interpreter does not generate the machine intermediary machine code, and compiler generate the intermediary machine code. Okay, and now we have cleared about interpreter and compiler. So the term JIT compiler. So JIT compiler used by the V8 engine, which is developed by the Google. Okay. So JIT compiler is the combination of interpreter and compiler. Okay. So what in initial point, JIT was not developed. In that time, uh, only interpreter is using. Interpreter was using. Okay, so we have written the code and interpreter will generate the bytecode, and that bytecode will execute by the Java virtual machine. Okay, and that is the process, so might be it will take more times. Okay, so to improve the speed, Google has developed the JIT compiler. Okay, so JIT compiler, how it works: first, JIT compiler will there are three four phase, means parsing phase, then compiling phase, then executing phase. Okay, so we had already discussed in the previous video. Okay, so JIT, so let's discuss about that JIT compiler. Okay, how JIT compiler use interpreter and compiler. So JavaScript code use convert into the small token that is called AST, abstract syntax tree, that is called parsing phase, and then JIT compiler will comes in that room, and that AST code will generate AST code converts into the byte code, and then that byte code used to optimized bytecode, means machine code. Okay, by used by the JIT compiler. Okay, so JIT compiler what will does, it will generate bytecode, and then it will convert into the optimized bytecode, means optimized machine code, and that machine code used by the Java virtual machine. So here we have AST convert to the bytecode, and bytecode used by the compiler to generate intermediary optimized code, and that optimized code actual machine will be used by a Java virtual machine to execute the program. So what will happen? Uh, in initial point, we were using interpreter. So interpreter generates the bytecode, and that bytecode used by the machine code, so it will take some times to understand the Java virtual machine. But in this time, Google has developed that bytecode will generate the machine code, okay, by the JIT compiler, and that JIT compiler machine code, optimized code, directly used by the Java virtual machine, and that is the understandable code for the Java virtual machine, and that will be more faster to direct used by the bytecode. Okay, and then here there is a diagram. Here what will happen if we are using a JIT compiler? So JIT compiler, high level language. So suppose this is the program, and that program will convert the bytecode, and that bytecode will generate the machine code, and that this machine code used by the CPU, you can say used by the Java virtual machine to execute the program. So the main working of the JIT compiler is that first, read that and parsing the page, and that parsing page in CST format, that is the in the back, it all things happen in the background. So main thing is that will read by the uh, code, and it will convert in the AST format. That AST format used to generate by the byte code by the interpreter, and that byte code will generate optimized code, means machine code, by the JIT compiler. Okay, and then this machine code used by the Java virtual machine. So here there is a example. Consider a high level language Java like JavaScript, and an interpreter will read the code. Interpreter will read the code and spit out the bytecode, and that bytecode runs. Okay, and what the compiler क्या करेगा? What does the compiler might take our code and spit out the machine code, and that machine code used by the CPU. So that the machine code used by the CPU, so speed will be the faster. Okay, so this is the things that what is the interpreter and the compiler and JIT compiler. Okay, and now the point is, JavaScript is interpreted or compiled. So let's discuss about here. Okay, so suppose we have written the code here, console log, okay, and console log bb, and here we have given the issue. So what will happening, it will executing first line, second line, and it will throw out the error hello, means this one is not defined at 3 line number 13. Okay, so it what what is doing, it will execute thing line by line. It is executing line by line. First hello, second bb, so output is hello and then bb, and then the errors comes. Okay, so it is indicating that the JavaScript is interpreted language. But if suppose in you don't have idea, I think you have idea, in Java, compile the whole program will compile, and that time if you got error, so we can generate that error. This will not comes output. Okay, and then bytecode is generated, then after JVM used to run execute that program. So in Java there is a different thing. So here you can understand now that first line, second line is executed hello and bb, and then third line we have given hello. It means we have not specified string. Okay, we have specified here as the keyword. Okay, so that's why it is getting throwing error hello is not defined. Okay, so you can understand now here that first line, second line is executed, and third line we are getting error. So it is executing line by line. So it is indicating that. It is an interpreted language. But internally, what is doing by the V8 engine, JIT compiler, just in time, means JIT compiler, what does it is converting the bytecode, and bytecode is the readable format, and then machine code generated and then executed. This we are not understanding. Okay, that how it works on how इतनी तेजी से कैसे वर्क कर रहा है मीन्स. ओके, सो दैट इज द थिंग्स. सो फर्स्ट is execute, first line executed, second line executed, and third line we got error. So that is the, it is the interpreted language. Okay, so if that this video is helpful for you, so you can like the video, and so that we got we will so sorry, so I can motivate. Okay, I can be motivated, and then we will create a new video. So if this video is helpful for you, so you can like the video. Okay, and if you have any questions related to this video, or if you have any suggestion, so you can add comment in the comment box, so I can try to improve that. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you.